Toronto. It's Kirtana here from Toronto Culture, and today we're in Riverside to check out one of Toronto's newest South Asian restaurants, Punjabi By Nature. This spot is known for its unique take on popular dishes such as the butter chicken mac and cheese, as well as their colorful cocktails. I'm super excited to check it out, so let's go! First up, we have some chicken tacos, a delicious blend of two cultures. We have the chicken that's been sauteed in tandoori spices and it's topped with some salsa and sour cream. I know it sounds delicious, let's give this a shot. That really is as delicious as it sounds. One of the amazing drinks they have here is this blue curacao. It has some mint, lemon with a shot of Grey Goose, topped with some chaat masala. That's amazing. Next up, we have another fusion dish, everyone's favorite butter chicken, but with a cheesy twist. If you're looking for something a little fancier, you can always try the chicken tikka penne pasta, a combination of two of my favorite dishes.
But it's absolute.
And now, the best part of any meal, dessert. If you've never had gulab jamun, PBN is the place to try it. Well guys, that was delicious. If you're ever in the area and looking for some good Punjabi food, PBN is the spot. I'll definitely be back and I hope to see you guys there.